Hi there. Today we are talking about the Shopify new updates. So here in your if you go to the shopify.com/editions slash summer 2225, then you will find this kind of website where they have a really good website where they have given the motions on the titles, and they have published 150 total updates to the Shopify, and they have also bring some new themes like 10 or 9 or 10 free themes, and also the premium theme also. So let's go deep to discuss more about that. So if you scroll down to the here, so you see bring your vision to life with Horizon, and you will see on the left side you will find all the themes details. If you want to go inside the themes, how to create the blogs on the custom layout, so no need to worry about it. Everything you will find on the free theme and also the premium theme.